Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities, that's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun, that's why you drive a Honda. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.